Hello there, we'll take a brief look now at the weather for the week ahead. So on Friday it was very stormy, storm Airwin, a very powerful damaging storm brought gusts of wind of 80, 90, even 100 miles an hour with huge waves out towards western coast, even away from the red warning areas. Red warnings issued too for Northern Ireland, for the Isle of Man and in central southern areas of Scotland. You can see the area of low pressure pushing very slowly northwards and eastwards. Tight squeeze on the isobars towards the southern flank, but it is pulling away and the winds will lighten. The isobars becoming a lot more spaced into Saturday morning. So lighter winds for the southern half of the UK, gales still an amber warning for much of the night across northern areas of Scotland. But this is how we'll start off Saturday. It's a chilly start today. Watch out for some icy stretches where we've seen the clear skies through the night. This band of rain clearing away from East Anglia through the morning. Wintry showers for Scotland, perhaps moving down through the southern uplands at times, and rain approaching Northern Ireland by the end of the afternoon. Some of this rain could be heavy and the winds will start to pick up again in the west, but for much of the day it's a lot more settled, calm, dry with some sunshine, but just feeling rather chilly. Temperatures generally 5 to 8 degrees Celsius. And on Sunday again it's dry towards the east for much of the day, but look, this deep area of low pressure again is approaching from the south and the west, so it is set to cloud over. We'll start to see the winds pick up towards the west. Some of this rain likely to be heavy, and that falling on already pretty saturated ground in a few places will be causing some localised flooding. Largely dry out towards the east though, temperatures again 5 to 9 degrees Celsius, and that band of rain and strong winds will push further eastwards as we head through the night. It's a very unsettled start to the new week, so it does stay rather stormy, wet and windy at times, and then it will turn more settled through the middle of the week, and towards the end of the week then high pressure starts to build in. But Sunday night into Monday, again a very wet, very windy looking picture with that deep area of low pressure. It's a slightly different track to Storm Airwin, and it won't be quite as windy, but still gusts of wind towards these Irish Sea coast, with the winds funneling up them around 60 to 70 miles an hour, with plenty of showers around as well, and that could lead to some localised flooding. Some of the showers likely to be wintry in nature across the higher ground of Northern Ireland and across the higher ground of Scotland too, but the temperatures slightly milder. Again, that area of low pressure is going to be centred right over the UK as we head through Tuesday, and there'll be plenty of showers swirling around it. So more windy weather and some more showers on and off as we head through the day. Most of the showers probably across the northern half of the UK, a little drier further south, but still it's likely to be windy here. And again, some of those showers could turn out to be wintry, but temperatures a little higher, 7 to 10 degrees Celsius generally. Then after that clears away, there's more rain that's going to sweep in from the west, and this is going to bring more heavy downpours, I think, towards the southern half of the UK. That clears away, then high pressure starts to build in, and that could last as we head through the rest of the week, keeping things largely dry and a lot more settled. Here's the outlook for our capital cities. So as you can see, while we are going to be seeing more wet and windy weather on Wednesday, then after that clears, there'll be a lot more in the way of sunshine. Temperatures will be round about the seasonal average and climbing for some of us as we head into the weekend, with a lot more sunshine to come, the calm after the storms.